May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, come in. Please take a seat. How can I help you?
Could you tell me about Ideal Academy because I want to admit my younger sister in this institution?
Sure, our school environment is very pleasant and the students are in good condition. All of teachers are highly educated and they teach the students very carefully.
How is the teacher's behavior with the student?
Teachers are really friendly with the students.
Which documents is need for admission?
You have to submit birth certificate, 3 copies, passport size photo and academic certificate also.
Well, I knew this information. For these reasons, I bring every document with me. Here you are.
How are you?
I'm fine. What about you, ma'am?
I am also fine. What class do you read in?
I have completed plus 5.
Are you same class? Your admission is completed. You have to attend in class tomorrow at 10 a.m. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.